One day in October, my husband and I rented a property that was tucked away in the countryside and had fenced-in property for our dogs to roam. The property itself was about half an hour from Charlottesville, Virginia. The leaves had just started to change on the trees. Start from the entrance. Here is the dining room. Lots of stuff from Antarctica, golden retrievers. Here's the kitchen, quite large. Got a nice island, pantry. It's the backyard. It's quite spacious. And then there's the side yard, which is also fenced. Sunroom. Bathroom. Full bath. Lots of golden retriever stuff. Here's the entranceway, hallway. These drawers come out. Hi. My mom has this exact print on curtains. My aunt on curtains in her kitchen. My aunt made them in like 1995. Here's the den office. Some golden stuff. Nice little upstairs. Golden retriever light switch. And this is the bathroom. It's quite spacious. Linen closet. And then, so there's two sinks and then a separate area for the bath, full bath, of course. So this is fenced, this backyard, and then the front yard is also fenced. There's a gate out there to the road, and then this whole side yard is fenced as well, so that's nice. So yeah, you can shower separately if somebody needs to use the sink. And here is the master bedroom. Wardrobe with plenty of blankets. And then here is the side yard. Fenced, and then there's a gate. The owners live back behind there in a barn that's been turned into a home. There's the sunroom. Yeah, I forgot there's a window. And then this is the walk-in closet. Could be a nursery. It smells like BO. I think it's something to do with a leak or something. So yeah, I don't know. And then this is the backyard, and you can't really see, but back behind those two trees is where the owners live. Solar panels. There's one of our dogs. You can't really see. Oh, there he is. He doesn't want to go home. Okay, come on, girls. Here's one of the rooms. Did not use this. This reminds me of my great grandma's house. Throwing out some of the trash. Looks like it's the original door. And doorknob, maybe. This is the last bedroom. I like that there are no TVs in this room. In the house in general, there's just one small TV. Okay. Oh, and I gotta show you the sunroom too.
Did they get back to you?
Okay, and then here's the living room, fireplace, and just a small DVD player and TV. I like. This is the sunroom. We actually locked the dogs in here yesterday. Got some cornhole, and then it's completely separate. It's a nice little addition. Love to have one of these. So, and you can let the dogs out here. There's actually a doggy door here. I tried to teach our dogs how to use it, but yeah, this was really nice. Actually, board games. And then, yeah, 2 little crates and 1 large crate for big dogs and stuff. Some camping chairs. This is my favorite part of the house. I put some little bricks underneath that because the dogs kept escaping, the little dogs. Yeah. Escaped and ran all the way down there to the owner's house. So, yeah, they live down here. They've got some good fencing. And that is it. You guys went on a hunt this morning. Woke everybody up. Yeah, is this a fun spot to hang out? You guys like this Airbnb? Lots of golden retriever stuff. All right, Ash, come on. Come on. It'll be okay. Come on. Ash, come on. He's like, why would I do that when the door's right there? Is it a little too high for you? Okay. All right. There we go. Okay, much better. We went for a hike around the property. There were several trails about a mile long that the owners had built through the woods with various little things around. And then we went on a hike to Crabtree Falls, about an hour and some change away. This was soon to be closed down due to the government shutdown that was going on at the time. It's still going on. Hopefully it'll end soon. But this was quite a steep hike, but the leaves were changing and it was really beautiful. Afterward, we were starving, so we drove to the nearest food, which was about an hour away. It was a brewery that was right next to this corn maze, pumpkin patch thing. Pretty fun for kids, but we ended up getting lost in the maze, embarrassingly. And we had to make our way through the corn to get out. My back was really hurting and I needed to go to the bathroom. So yeah, it wasn't quite as fun as we had hoped. It was actually the largest corn maze in the state of Virginia. Afterward, we went next door to this family-run winery. It was a little sketchy pulling up at first. It was kind of dark. Thought my organs were going to get harvested, but it ended up being super cool, great wine, and the host was wonderful. Thank you for watching. Happy fall.